London retail import and export trade company, started its business in China in 2006. The factory covers an area of 15,000 square meters and has multiple automated production lines. These are our equipment. There are 10 hot press lines in total. The main products of RT Group include laminated vinyl paper, thickness composite vinyl, UV board, HPL board, melamine board, and MDF. And here you can see the products on this are stocked in the warehouse. Here's our export goods.